A day in a life again! Maaga pumasok ang person na yan dahil may event ngayon sa SM Fairview na sponsor ang DIY Body. So, kailangan natin maganda-gandahan doon. Charot! Anyway, say hi to Ma'am Aya, and to Ma'am Mina, and to Ma'am Jean. Anyway, si Ma'am Jean ang makakasama ko today. So, nag-start muna kami mag-ayos ng mga kakailanganin sa event, ganyan. May freebies kasi kami ibibigay ng mga kits sa magiging donor ng mga blood. Tapos, nagupit-gupit lang ako ng mga flyers just in case. Tapos, niready lang yung camera, mga ganon. Mga quarter to 10, nasundo kami ni Sir Earl sa office, kaya agora na agad kami sa SM after that. Pagdating namin doon, okay naman, pinag-speech si Sir Earl.
In behalf of the whole family of DIY Body, I am Earl Christian Bernabe, the owner.
And we are acknowledged very well as one of the sponsors.
Ang DIY Body, negosyong budget-friendly sagot ng DIY Body.
Grabe, I can't believe na nasa mall show na tayo, diba? Like, it's so saya lang talaga, charis. Anyways, after naman namin doon, tumiretso na kami mag-lunch. Treat yun ng aming boss, diba? Bongga. And we just talk about chismis. Charot lang. Syempre, about sa work-related stuff, ganyan. Parang short meeting, ganyan, kung kamustahan na. You know, I just wanna share this vlog lang para may remembrance na naipakita ang logo natin sa mall, and it's just a sign na we are moving forward, right? Kahit pa paano umuusad tayo, kaya ako talaga I believe na mag-grow pa yung company na ito whatever happens. Kaya, aja, laban lang! See you next time! Bye!